Hi everyone, thank you for watching my channel. This is Perry Trade, and if this is your first time, please remember to like and subscribe. So I apologize for all my viewers for not posting any new videos in the past couple of days, only because the video editing software that I use, the microphone isn't working. Not the video editing, but the screen recorder program that I use, the microphone isn't working, so I'm unable to record my voice. So for the past couple of days, I've been testing an automated strategy. So the goal is I want to create an automated strategy that that can have consistent and profitable results. And so I'm not overly aggressive with the profit. I'm just using 6 tick take profit and a stop loss of 36. So I have two charts up. I have a 15-minute chart. Let me show you. So I have a 15-minute chart, a candlestick chart, and also a 15-minute Hakanashi. So what I did was I wanted to see if there was any difference in the profit, the total profit. So the strategy, I ran it from September 11th, September 9th through October 11th. That was last Friday trading session on market replay. And so I'm using 2 indicators only. So I have 2 charts up. Actually, I have 3 charts up. So the one chart is the regular candlestick chart, and then this chart is the Hakanashi chart. And so I'm using 15-minute time frame, only because the higher the time frame, the more accurate the signals are. So, and also too, like I said at the beginning, I want to know if there were any difference in the profit. So I'm using 2 indicators here. This indicator is as a courtesy of Blue, aka Sharky. I'm on his Discord group, and he has shared generously shared this indicator, and so it works great. And also this indicator here with the purple and blue dots is an indicator that I've developed myself. And what this indicator does, it filter out the trades. So basically, when you see when you see blue dots, that means so what happened, the long trades are activated, and then the short trades are turned off. And then vice versa, if you see purple trades, not purple trade, but purple dots, then the short trades are turned on, and then the long trade are turned off. And this right here is the ATM that I use. It's called the Predator, and you can go online and you can get a trial. So this is a paid program right here that I use to manage my trade. So basically it takes the signals, right? It reads the signals, these arrows here, and then it goes long or short. And then of course the goal is, like, you want to get green arrow and the blue dots, and then let you know to go long, and then vice versa. If you get a purple dot and a pink arrow going down, you only go long. And so with the dots, what that does is turn off and on. It's switch on and switch off the long and short options here. So this was ran, like I said, from September 9th through October 11th, and you can see here it profited for a month, for that month time frame, 1,270 on the candlestick. And on the Hakanashi here, it profited 2,355. So let me show you the trade performance really quickly. The real time, and you can see here total net 1,270. This is not including commission. I have a lifetime license, so commission is about like less than $1 for round trade. That means in and out. And so here you can see here it took a total of 26 trades. The profit factor is 99. And you can see here the average winning trade is $48. For long trade is 38, and then for short trade is 63. And then you can see that this strategy had 0 losses. And then you can see here that the profit per month is $25.82. So again, you know, you're looking at this and say, wow, this is like, I mean, for a month, for 1 month, that's pretty good. If you're looking just for something consistent, if you're making $2,582 of passive income, that's very good. But I'm going to actually analyze the MA. Let me show you the MAE and then the MFE, and I'll tell you what that means. Okay, and so let me also show you the equity curve here. You can see here that equity curve is, see how it just goes up, and so that's excellent. And you can see the trade that it has taken here, 80, 105, 40, 125, and so there were no losses here. So let me close this out here, and this is the Hakanashi. Let me pull up the Hakanashi 15 minutes. Let's see, that profited 2,355. Strategy performance, real time, and you can see here the profit, total profit per month. And this had 65 winning trade and 1 losing trade, and 1 losing trade was only $15 here. And you can see here the equity curve. This is the equity curve, and so this is what you would like to see, just a steepness of the graph right here. And then you can see the net profit each day, right? 60, 115. And so I had let this ran for about a month, and so I can like have it applied to all market condition. So you know, everyday market, the behavior of the market isn't different every day. So you can see here, here maybe where it was choppy, where you have less profit, and some days I only had 1 trade, and some days I had 4 trades here. So you can see here. So of course I'm using 6 tick take profit, and I'm using the ATR 2.5 multiplier 14 period as a stop loss. So it has room to it has a little bit of room to draw down before my profit is hit. So right here, so what I wrote here. So I wrote here, based on the trade performance, based on the trade performance, I asked ChatGPT whether I'm leaving money on the table, you know, whether I can go up higher on my profit target. So this is what it returned. It says, based on the trade performance, has been suggested that your current profit target of 6 ticks may be too conservative. The average maximum profitable excursion, okay, the maximum average favorable excursion, meaning that the highest that my trade have gone has been these figures right here: $123, $135, $85, and $125, and then $30. So that means that the average maximum favorable excursion value over the analyzed period indicate that my trades can generally move much higher in my favor than the 6 tick target that I have. So potentially, and here it says that these amounts are significantly higher than 6 ticks, which suggests that your strategy might be cutting profit short. So it's recommended that I increase my profit target to 40 to 50 ticks. So now I'm going from 6 ticks to 40 ticks. So 40 times 5, you're looking at $200 per day. So instead of, profiting $35, I can profit $200 per day, which is a big difference. And it also suggests that this still allows room for market fluctuation, as the ATR multiplier of 2.5 remains reasonable approach for adjusting to dynamic volatility. Increase in profit target to 40 tick would yield $200 per trade. So what I'm going to do is now I'm going to adjust my profit target from 6 to 40 ticks now, because my ATR stop loss will allow that room to be able to hit my profit target. So that's what I'm going to do in my next. I'm going to make that adjustment in the strategy, and then I'm going to let it run for the same period, and then I'm going to post the results. All right, so again, this is just an automated strategy that I'm trying to find something consistent, just steady passive income. All I have to do is just turn it on and let it trade, and then I don't have to worry about it. Of course, with this ATM manager that I have, the Predator, I can set a loss limit, meaning that this is what you're willing to lose per day. So you can do that off the profit target, or you can also, I believe you can also have it if the drawdown, you can set a drawdown limit also too. So if it draws down to about $100 or $200, you can have it shut down, and then you just move on to the next day. So again, I want to thank you for watching my channel, and I hope to see you on the next update when I post those results with the 40 tick take profit. Thank you.